wonder what is happening. In fact, you're welcome to Common Sense, but I just want to make up my face small because you know, say if the face is not make up, I know that time I go to be. Well, sure, my name is Miss World, the only Miss in the whole wide world. Make I pancake in my face because I want to look like some people. And I say, when you don't paint your face, you go fit change. Now go fit tell me that my face fit change from Miss World to Bob. I mean, asking. In fact, we can go for this short commercial break. When I come back, I will come tell you now everything they happen for here. In fact, I'm going to be having one better sweet guest. Now go see how we will come back from the commercial break. I bet make we go.
Live and loud anytime, anywhere. Africa's first global media platform.
You're welcome to Miss World. You know, now we for the talk common sense. Since we come away, and as I tell you, I say, no, only me want to talk about this issue. I have here with me one and only Hilarious. The young Hilarious, how far?
Where are they?
Youngie.
You know,
see the way your face just dey meow. Hilarious.
Yes.
So how are things with you?
Things are fine, you know. Common Sense show don't establish, you know.
Yes,
and I'm happy to be here to be the first guest on the Common Sense show.
Common Sense show. Where for they talk things wey common, where people dey this.
Common Sense, where they put together.
Hilarious, what do you understand about this common sense? When they talk about common sense,
when the many things they happen for our society, like for example, our government, there are some things they're supposed to do. Common sense they're supposed to apply. They will not apply it. So the show itself will now make us come and let people say, okay, see, our president said this today, but look at it and on a common sense level, see. And I think people will say, okay, that means the president no use apply or you not talk with common sense.
Hilarious, wait, the way you take the narrate the matter, so I won't really ask you, this Hilarious. Wait till you yourself know, say, now they call common sense.
Common sense now, when you use, when you don't use bukuru knowledge, or when you don't use book sense, you just look the thing the way it be, and so you just do them, and so you just see them.
My people, now hear the way they narrate common sense. Common sense now somebody will be saying, he says this thing common, in sense, not rich him. Yes. You know, so you laugh for the matter. Well, that's
not your definition, but my own definition, I just say the thing are just simple something, but you go complicate and now because you say you don't use your common sense, no say you suppose make the eba like this, or you don't use your common sense, no say you supposed to do this or you supposed to do that. The thing is just there, but because we just want to complicate things, we now go round it.
Okay, my people, I'm going to go for this short commercial break. I enjoy this small music. When I come back, we go sit down put for inside this common sense issue because me, I don't know reason why we be say people no go fit use their little common sense, even in their society, their church, their family, their household, their relationship. Common sense. Let's go for discussion. When we come back.
Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for.
What?
What?
There we go.
Oi.
Okay, you're welcome back from the commercial break. I hope you enjoyed that small music when I just played for now. You know, see that person play the song, so it's song they touch my heart. And I just say, as you hear and so you don't touch your heart too. And as you know, I still remain Miss World, and I think my guests were here with me. Say, Honorable Hilarious, Hilarious for common sense show. Common sense, so we want to make sure say that your common sense, not where you need if they use go or not come tight and well for you to make sure say you use your common sense according to the Republic of the Ogbagbashi world. So Hilarious. I won't talk about one, whether not guy, whether not paper, no, it's not Bob and Ski. People they talk about plenty matters about this our Bobrisky, but me I know say this guy they do better business for that area with this. But some people not just really understand whether it still remain for woman or it still remain for man. Because some 3 days ago I watch her when I say he did twerk buttocks, they twerk. He say I'm twerking my buttocks, I'm twerking my buttocks, twerking my buttocks. Buttocks. Hilario, did you see that video?
No, I not see the video. I'm actually hearing it for the first time on the Common Sense show. That you're talking of if I should serve you right, you're talking about Bobrisky.
Yes.
And Bobrisky has been the talk of the town, the whole of Nigeria. Every day on social media, we see Bobrisky on social media doing 1 or 2 things, crazy stuff. You see, social media don't make people actually forget themselves. Social media has made a lot of people forget doing real business and be living in a fake life. You see, and now waiting Nigerians for quickly know, be that one say, no be everything with this social media, now it be true. You know, Bobrisky, like I talk, it might not end up being as people they say, if you just do that one for it to sell the product, they sell the business. But you see, because Nigerians are carried away with his social media, whatever, we're not going to look into the main matter. We are distracted from the business where the man they do. We don't want Georgia to say why man going to behave like woman and blah blah blah, you know. But for me, I know say na businessman.
No be smart, you know. You even get one picture where we say it snap, where we say it snap, I go open one corner of breast. Now for the state, I call the people call the right say, the neck is different from the breast. It is fake. It is it. But that guy just they doing business. They go. And another thing because they will surprise me again. They say and Tonto Dike, they be very good friend. And you know say na man, Tonto Dike na babe. So what do you think say they happen for those two people? Because speaking no come be like say he go and common sense matter. You are watching common sense, so common sense how they try to warn you. So
just tell people say Bobrisky, he don't come out, he don't tell us him or no, they call him bro, which means we should not refer to him as a guy. That is a lady.
Okay, sister Bobrisky.
So we should call him or her
Brossist.
a lady.
Brossist.
And he strongly stated is that people should not call him a bros, they should call him a lady, a she.
Hilarious, I want to ask you one
thing. Play. And as we see him to be man, when they call change to be woman, and they could be friends with woman. You know, once a man is always a man.
It's always a man, no.
Make you no go happen one day. So common sense go fit just tell us. Because common sense tell me now, say once a man, it's always a man. And may no go like say be friends with Tonto Dike, you come on that pikin now. You can't look like
my people na common sense, not be talk about. Na just common sense, Hilarious, na talk about. He said Tonto Dike fit just come home pikin and then the pikin will get na because
like Sister Bob.
Hilarious, me I not say sister boss no go gree comot that thing where they for under because that thing dey sweet.
When they say don't cut her comot.
He said cut her comot.
He said don't cut her. We make it show us the proof. Bobrisky at least show us the proof that you have removed that part that made you a man. Now at least show us the proof, naked, and say no, Nigerians, this is the proof.
I bet I won't go for short break. Hilarious, I've just said something that pissed my common sense. Commercial break, please.
Live and loud anytime, anywhere. Africa's first global media platform.
Okay, you're welcome from a commercial break. In fact, let's Hilarious talk. It really affects my mind because, sister bros, please don't naked yourself. I love you the way you are. Me, Miss World, I love you, Bobrisky, the way you are because I tell you go bring your cream for Miss World. Make me do a yellow reach you because I don't try to pancake my face so that I will feel reach your own. But only you, Bobby. Go fit tell me whether my makeup don't reach your own. I beg, invite me, Make I come pempele my face like your own too. Make I yellow like you. But I get Nyash already, and I get this one already, so I'm okay with this one.
You got one picture for Bobrisky where we see at that time when they start to be if the producer will put that on screen. But I was saying that obviously you could see that there is no way, no matter how you use screen, no matter how it's still a man.
The bottom side goes to be black. That line. No, they wash that line well. No, for that line.
But if Bobrisky actually want to prove to the world that he's really doing the transgender thing, apart from cross-dressing, which he started with, he should strip himself naked and go nude, like Bobrisky go nude, like hold the thing so that people will say not be rubber now he wear, say the thing
make you see open his leg.
Oh, you go see open the leg, you go, then will come say okay, nothing there again. Or you go wear G-string, then will come see and say nothing there again. Or make you wear pants, then make it stand straight. So we'll come to say okay, the pants, you go get the way you go just stand one kind go. No, but boys know boys know that, you know, the angle. The angle of
Hilarious, are you using your common sense?
Now my common sense, I tell you, I analyze the matter. So now we just use our common sense, say okay, Bobrisky, common sense, just say, make you just verse, prove to people that you're actually turning into.
Auntie Bobrisky, don't mind Hilarious here. Don't mind Hilarious. I know that you are a
but wait, if you want to bear Bobrisky, why will you go and still be bearing Bob?
No, she's
Bobrisky, and you're still Bob.
She's Bobrisky. Don't mind Hilarious. Hilarious don't know how to talk. Common sense, no, they are affecting brain. So, my wonderful Ogbonge people, I want to thank you very well for watching Common Sense. And Common Sense go they come to your way every week. You go they enjoy Common Sense. You for the talk. Common sense. Hilarious just tell me how he know they feel using common sense. Say make a whole 60 ski.
No,
baby ski. Make you open everything. I go open everything. Which one you know say everything a treasure. Everything is a treasure. I love you, babe. I love you, babe. I love you.
So,
in fact, my people. No.
It's what?
Bobrisky.
I better tell them so that thing will lose.
Hi, it's Bobrisky, you know, Bobrisky, you see my face. In fact, it's all about common sense, and Miss Ward/Hilarious will be taking you through the common sense and make sure so they bring you the latest common sense where they make people they get sense. So we go see Una again, and thank you for watching. And this common sense is brought to you by X24 TV station and here for the shooter. So Ila,
yes,
next time don't talk to Auntie Bobrisky anyhow.
No, be Auntie Bobrisky. Now you say Auntie Babe Risky.
Okay, Bobrisky. Thank you very much for watching. It's a wrap.
Live and loud anytime, anywhere. Africa's first global media platform.